Hitched a ride on the Porcelain Express.
She's a fish killer.
I can't go with that girl. I have to get back to my dad. Ah! Daddy! Help me!
Nobody touch him. Nobody touch him.
Can you help me?
No. You get yourself in there, you can get yourself out.
Gil.
I just want to see him do it, okay? Calm down. Now, alternate wiggling your fins and your tail.
I can't. I don't have a bad fin.
Never stop me. Just think about what you need to do.
Come on.
Perfect.
Wow, from the ocean. Just like you, Gil.
Yeah.
I've seen that look before. What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking tonight we give the kid a proper reception.
So, kid, you got a name or what?
Nemo? I'm Nemo.